Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to activate OTG connection on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom in order to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see in this last section we've got the OTG connection option. Basically all we have to do in order to turn it on is to tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active. Of course you can turn it off manually, just like we turned it on the same way by tapping on the switcher, or as you can see we've got the information that you can just leave it and it will be automatically turned off if it will not be in use for 10 minutes, so it's up to you. So basically that's all. This is how to enable OTG connection in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.